You're probably wondering what I'm about to do with this screen, this kind of weird cable, and an open truck right in front of me. Well, this thing is super cool because it is a camera with a light at the end, and literally this whole thing here is a borescope. So if you're going through, you have to go through sewers, maybe there's a blockage, maybe you need to see if something is blocking it. Maybe you need to, and I'll show you that in just a second, reach and grab maybe a screw that's fell into someplace that you cannot reach yourself. Well, this tool will help you. Now I'm opening it into a car because sometimes I've seen my mechanic do this where he is trying to see if there's a leak somewhere. He's trying to see if maybe a seal is not properly, working. And with a tool like this, which is probably the perfect gift for my mechanic, it's going to be so helpful because you'll be able to go in and see exactly on this 5-inch screen. So I'm going to turn it on, and I love the fact that it is battery operated. It is rechargeable via USB right here, USB-C. And next to the USB-C, you probably see this little thing here. That is a flash card inside of here. So it comes with a 32 gigabyte. You can add more if you want to, because you can also take video and pictures. So if you need to, show someone like a mechanic, I'm like, this is what I saw. Take pictures, take videos, and then you can do the diagnostic properly. But look at this. Right now, I'm pointing it, and look at that. I am pointing it under the engine here, under the gasket, and I can't even, I wouldn't be able to see this with my own eyes, but look at that. I go in deep. I don't even know where I'm going right now. Look at this, guys. Oh, and I can turn, and I literally can see with the light. So it doesn't matter how dark it is down there. With that light, oh, look at that. I can go in as far as I want, and I could take a picture of that Toyota filter right here to go to the store and buy the proper filter without reaching out and getting it myself. I think that's fantastic. It is 16.5 foot long. It is more of that wire cable. So actually, if you put it in a certain way, it will stay there. So it's great if you're actually going into a sewage pipe. Like, let's say you just need to kind of like go around and see and peek through and be able to record. It's fantastic for that. I love that it is HD quality. So as you can see, if I'm pointing at, look at this, if I'm pointing it at letters and text, just like that, it is extremely, extremely clear. And of course, I say of course, but I was so surprised that this was included as well. You can change the end right here. So I'm gonna just do this right now, just like that. So there's a little cap right there, and I'm going to replace it with, there's two different ones. So there's one right there that I can add on here, and as you can see, it's a hook. So if I need to kind of just grab onto something or display something, or move something around, I can do that with the hook. Or there's another one, and I'm going to show you this one right here because it is so cool. This one right here, you just install like that. So I can still see where I'm going, but of course, you could see that there's something at the end, and what's at the end is a really powerful, surprisingly powerful magnet. And check this out. This is just under 3 ounces, so a lot heavier than your typical screw. And look at this. That's how strong that magnet is, and it's really, really strong. So if I have something that I need to pick up because it's loose or whatever, I can do that right there and just go at it. And yeah, and this thing is super small. I like the small form factor of it. Love the big screen, color screen, HD quality. Love the fact that it is battery operated as well. Batteries, you don't need to change anything. It's rechargeable, and that flash card as well. This thing is completely all in one.